Okay, here's the watch. Now it buzzes continuously, as I mentioned. After a while I'm getting this closer so you can hear it clearly in the microphone. I've set obviously the gain to maximum. Might be a little bit loud, but just for you to get a feeling of what's going on. I haven't touched the controls, okay? The gain is always at maximum, the output is always at maximum, and the settings here are the same. It's just this annoying noise. Thanks for watching.